Hey, what's up guys? Today is my first day as an employee of a biohazard cleaning company. It's been about 2 years since I last worked for someone else. If you don't remember, I had to delete all my videos, about 100 videos consisting of 500 million views 2 years ago, just due to some corporate legal stuff. And so I've been in this weird place of limbo for like 2 years now, not really knowing what to do with the channel or like where to go, felt kind of lost. So if you can see on my channel, I did some free home cleanups around the nation, just to kind of fill the void and get something up on the channel. But now that things have settled down a bit more, I'm with this company that said they could let me film on projects as clients allow, and just kind of like relearn how to do the bio cleaning thing, and especially the marketing side of it. So this week, I'm gonna focus on marketing the company, and the purpose of this video is to share with you exactly how I do that. Just kind of open source it, let that information be available to all so that anyone can do this. I know a lot of you guys want to become crime scene cleaners and work in the trauma response industry, and knowing the soft and hard skills of marketing and people skills is going to be really, really valuable to getting into this career and actually excelling and getting promotions. Today, I'm going to be reaching out to detectives, scheduling meetings with their police departments. So it's pretty low-hanging fruit, but it's a good place to start. It's been a long time for me personally. It's been about 2 years since I've done the cold hard outreach. So I'm going to be a bit rusty, but yeah, I'm just going to share that with you guys and just show how it can be done. So this is the secret sauce, all right? So if you're in some major city, right? I'm in San Diego. You go to the San Diego County website. It looks something like that. Look up police, okay? What you do is you just call up every single one of these guys one at a time, and you introduce yourself. You say you want to get them food, and you want to get in front of them and share with them what your company does. So if they ever come across some type of homicide, suicide scene, they know who to call, or at least recommend to someone to take care of it. So I'm gonna go run through this list, call them, and try to get some in-person meetings scheduled.
San Diego North Detectives.
Hey, my name's Jacob, and I'm calling from... All right, cool. I actually just called up that whole list, and most of them didn't actually answer the phone, which is a bit to be expected, but a few did answer, and so far I've got 3 offices interested in having me stop by and share with them with what I do. Only problem is I don't have all the marketing materials I need to do this the right way. What's the point of going there without having the information for them to use? So I'm gonna go stop by the printing press and grab that real quick. Look at these guys. This is perfect.
What you had in mind?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. We're at Michael's. For this.
That's what I'm saying. You got a boo-boo.
Alright, I think we have what we're looking for. Looking for a little easel like that to put our marketing supplies on. I think it works for this one as well. Perfect. Alright, this works. Is it inappropriate to bring cops donuts? Genuine question. I don't know. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, I'm at the station now. I'm a little nervous. I haven't done this in a super long time. I haven't really actually done this ever before. The detective lineup meeting is in 5 minutes. I'm just gonna bring in some donuts and hang out with them. I'm not really sure what to expect. We'll see how it goes. Bringing up crime scenes and homicides for reasonable costs, working with the families on the worst day of their life. Okay, I just finished my little spiel at the detective station, and apparently it was a full presentation. I wasn't expecting that. I thought I was gonna bring them donuts, hang out with them, kind of meet them one at a time, and share with them what I do. But no, it's just a room full of detectives that just sat there, and they just said, go ahead. And I had to share what the company does. But no, I think we made some good connections, and now I'm gonna go off to the West Division to do the same thing and be a little bit more prepared with what I'm presenting. All right, round 2, baby. I'm at the Chick-fil-A. It's around lunchtime, and I'm bringing food in for the West County Sheriff's Department. I feel like you can't really go wrong with Chick-fil-A. I mean, the food's great, so we'll see how this one goes, and hopefully I'm a bit more prepared this time. Thank you, sir. And you got the sweet. Perfect.
Thank you.
Every single one of our crew members have their own vehicle, so we can be on scene, typically within the hour. All right, that went a lot better than the first one I did this morning. They scheduled a whole meeting for that thing just to listen to me speak, and I came a lot more prepared with what to say actually. Yeah, by the end of it, they were all pretty happy with what we do. Some of them have actually recommended the company before for projects. They got me a contact for another division in the eastern side to do a very similar thing. And yeah, I'll hit them up and keep this flywheel going. Now we are at the county medical examiner's office to go see who is on the resource list for this type of cleaning. Medical examiners are a great resource for biocleaners in general. Highly recommend you have, that's like the first people you should hit up when you start marketing for biocleaning. Camera actually died during the medical examiner's office visit, but that went well. We got on their resource list, and I eventually just finished the night off at the Business Networking International Group. This is a group of all the local business owners in this area that do housekeeping, property management, restoration work, organizing, just people that are in similar markets that might be able to refer business out to you. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did today, marketing the company. And if you want to learn more on how to do biohazard cleanup marketing, let me know in the comments. I'd love to make more videos and how-to guides for this type of thing. It's gonna be really helpful if you want to get into this career. But yeah, that's all for me. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.